Hi, I'm John, and this is Episode 2, Why Use an FAA Part 107 Certified Pilot? First, certified pilots have detailed knowledge of flying a drone legally and safely in the U.S. This is important to protect your business and assets from liability risk. Second, certified pilots are able to obtain FAA waivers for controlled airspace, including utilization of the new low-altitude authorization and notification capability instant authorization system that's now coming online, also known as LANCE. Third, we are able to provide a minimum of $1 million liability insurance for your business project, thus protecting us and you from liability risk. We're able to deploy anywhere in the southern U.S. on short notice, and the remainder of the continental U.S. with relatively short lead time. If you are in need of a trusted drone pilot and business partner, please visit us on our website for more information.